Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a pineapple milkshake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh or frozen pineapple chunks, 1 cup of milk, and 2 large scoops of vanilla ice cream. For a little extra sweetness, have 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey on hand. Make sure your blender is ready to go. Now, let's get blending. Carefully add the pineapple chunks, milk, vanilla ice cream, and your chosen sweetener into the blender. Secure the lid tightly. Start blending on a low setting, then gradually increase to high speed. Continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, with no large pineapple pieces remaining. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Once blended, it's time to perfect your milkshake. Give it a quick taste. If you prefer it sweeter, add another half tablespoon of sugar or honey and blend again briefly. For a thicker shake, add an extra scoop of vanilla ice cream. If it's too thick, a small splash of milk will thin it out. You can also add a dash of pineapple juice for an extra fruity kick. Your delicious pineapple milkshake is now ready. Pour it into a tall glass. For a fancy touch, garnish with a fresh pineapple wedge, a maraschino cherry, or even a tiny umbrella. Serve it immediately to enjoy its refreshing, frosty goodness. This easy guide helps you create a perfect tropical treat in just minutes. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.